kábíyèsí ikú bàbá yèyé ikú yèyé bàbá aláṣẹ ìkejì òòṣà ọba Adékúnlé Adéayọ̀ Adéagbo ọba Ọ̀mọ́yọ̀mádé Ọ̀yọ̀sáyé ilẹ̀ mọ̀bà Ọ̀yọ̀sáyé kìtìkìtì ìlú Sábìlóyè àkọ́kọ́ Ọ̀kẹ́balóyè ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì àkókò wájà èsì ọkọ lórí ọ̀sìyé wàlà alábẹ́lú àṣàṣe ọmọ wa ọmọ ẹkùn láàfin ọmọ ajẹ́sanwó aládé ọ̀kìrìkìrì dìtì lẹ́lùmọ́ bí owó dámaláyà bí àrá àlàkà ọmọ àpáàrà agùnmọ́tẹ̀ ọkọ ọmọba onílé ọ̀sán yìí ọkọ ayaba kábíyèsí o.
Moba Otun came from Lagos. We came from Badagry in Lagos, Okumoba, migrated to Mushin, Victoria Island, Ikoyi, before our forefathers now moved to Ife. When he was moving, it was called Moba, means Omoba. He came with his own crown and with his own beads, and he knew he was on a journey spiritually through the Ifa oracle, and he kept on moving until he got to Ife and met Oduduwa. In the process, Oduduwa had an eye problem, and he was able to get that Olokum, that water, mysterious water, and his eyes got healed. And he called him Oloremi. Then that's where the third name came from. Omoba, Moba, Olokun, now Oloremi. So we have 5 ruling royal families. And the first one is Ile Obajeo, ruling house, followed by Ile Itun, ruling house, followed by Imoru, ruling house, followed by Imoya, ruling house. Then you now have Ile Yaba, where I come from. The way I mentioned that, that's the sequence that is rotational. From Oloremi is now Ori of Moba Otun. That's how we got that title. We are deeply connected to Ife. We have a bond with Yoruba land, and we are all children of Oduduwa. I'm the 22nd Ori of Otun Ekiti. This kingdom has existed over 500 years. When we had the Kiriji War, the intra-tribal war, our forefather, the late Ori Okimbaloye, the first, my great-grandfather, was the one that led the treaty and signed it for peace between all Ekitis, Ijeshas, and Ibadans. The meaning of Otun, Otun in Yoruba land means Otumama Tunkan. We try to get the correct facts. If you come and tell us stories, we'll look at you. We'll not say anything. But we'll go back and do our own research and come back with evidence. That's the meaning of Otun. We always amount to research. We do research. Every son and daughter of Otun is quite progressive, very intelligent. We have a lot of professors all over the world and even domicile here. So we are known for agriculture, and we are called Onireke Agbejo in the sense that we have a lot of sugarcane plantations.
Ara ìtàn wa ní ìrèkélẹ̀ wò yìí tó ń pè ní sugarcane. Wọ́n ní Ọ̀tún Mọba Ọ̀tún, ọmọ Onírèké Àgbèjó, ọmọ Adépèrè fún ìyẹ́ ọdẹ, ìrèké ní símbù pé àwa nírèké.
We have a market called Ojawo. It's like a 1 million market. It happens once a year. And people call them up from all over the world, Canada, from the US, and it's like a spiritual market. People come like 3-4 days before the market starts, because once you trade in that market, your prayers will be answered. We've had evidence, series of people that are barren. When they get there, they pray and they buy 1 or 2 things. By next year, when they are coming for a Jawo market, they will have been pregnant. And it happens once a year, and everybody knows that date, and people start coming like a mecca of sorts from all over the world. We have cultural festivals. In fact, our calendar is different from the normal calendar. We have Urere Festival, where we pray for all our sons and daughters worldwide.
a gbàdúrà fún wọn pé gbogbo ibi tó wà kọ́ máa ṣoríire. Àmín. Kọ́kàn wọn balẹ̀. Àmín. Gbogbo nǹkan tó bá dáwọ́lé kó kọ́ sókè. Àmín.
A máa kọrin kan sọ pé ọdún mọ̀jọ́ òrògbòdògbò ọdún mọ̀jọ́ òrògbòdògbò inú kábíyèsí gan dùn torí àwọn èèyàn wọn á dáná wọn á ṣe alálejò pàtàkì tó wà tún gbàdúrà kò sí ẹgbẹ́ gbàdúrà fún mẹ́yẹn tí ò ní ṣe.
Then we have Ọdún Ìjẹṣu. We celebrate Yam Festival. That's how we encourage our farmers, because most of this market people come and buy yams from north, from Kano, from Borno, and it's quite a big business here. Then we also have Ifaba, that's for the king.
Ibi iná gbè ní ọgbà Kobo ìkòkò tẹ́ ń wò yìí omi ò gbọdọ̀ gbẹ́nu ẹ̀ tí kábíyèsí bá ti ń ṣe ọdún pé à ń ṣe eégún à ń ṣe kankan ní ibi iná pè ní ọgbà Kobo tí àwọn èèyàn tó bá dé àlejò tó ti máa wá ẹ lè máa dáná tá a jẹun tá a ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀. Ibi tẹ́ ń wò yìí orí ìtẹ́ ni orí ìtẹ́ ẹsẹ̀ báyé ibi tí ń wò yìí ibẹ̀ ni ẹ̀rọ òun rẹ̀ tá a máa jókòó sí tí a ti máa ṣe ìpàdé ìlú ní ọjọ́ máàdógún tí àlejò pàtàkì bá dẹ̀ wá ibi tí bàbá ti máa ṣàdúrà fún wọn ní kò sí nǹkan tó lè sọ lórí ìtẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ló ṣe máa rí àwọn kì í ṣépè níbí ní gbogbo bíbá àdúrà ni ìṣàdúrà lè sọ pé orí ẹnìkan ṣe kankan àdúrà sáà la máa ṣe bí èyí gbọdọ̀ ṣépè níbi táwa èèwọ̀ ni ó sì wà láti gbà láti dáyé yẹn tí èèyàn bá jalè tí ó tó bá sọ pé jalè tó bá lọ́wọ́ jalè tó bá digi mú kò sí nǹkan tó bá ní kó ṣe tí ò ní ṣe ibi ló já sí ẹ̀nà ilé Ifá tó ti ṣe Ifá bá torí Ifá ló gbé wa dé ìlú bíi táwa ibi ló já sí ẹ̀nà ibi tó bá fi ṣe Ifá ọdún wọn bá ti gbé Ifá jáde ibi tó ti ṣe Ifá ọdún ní ẹ̀nà ọ̀nà tẹ́wọ́n bí gbogbo èèyàn kan ló gba rẹ̀ ibi táwọn bàbá wa sùn sí ní tí wọ́n bá dàgbà wọ́n bá dògbò ibi náà sùn ibi ẹni tí òkè bá sọ ọmọ ọba tàbí olóyè kò gbọdọ̀ wọbẹ̀ ibẹ̀ lẹ́ni kábíyèsí ti máa ṣàdúrà ní ọjọ́ márùn-ún. Ilé ìfàní jáde sí ọ̀nà ibi bàbá wa ìná àrùbíṣán sùsì ní àwọn ní tiwọn ò fẹ́ mọ́gòmọ́gó téèyàn bá tán bá ṣènáwó láàpọ̀ téèyàn bá jalè téèyàn bá jí ẹran tàbí téèyàn jí ọtí tàbí téèyàn jí kankan tàbí jí kan oníkan tó bá fi pamọ́ síbi kó tó jáde báyìí àti sọ́tẹ̀lì ẹni níbí yàrá àwọn ìyá nìyí tẹ̀gbọ́ sẹ́ni tó délé wọ bẹ̀bẹ̀ yẹn ọ̀pọ̀ ìfáàní o babaláwo fẹ́ sí ọ̀pọ̀ ìfáàní báyìí ọ̀pẹ̀lẹ̀ ní babaláwo ọ̀pẹ̀lẹ̀ ní gbé dání ni. eégún sọ̀rọ̀ bíi lọ́kẹ̀ ní adégbògun ní olórí eégún tó wà níbi àwòrán ẹ̀ ní àwòrán ilé lọ́kẹ̀ ní bàbá ìmàyàn wọ́n pè èdè wa ni pé bàbá ìmàyàn torí kọ́tàsì tá a pè máyàn kọ́tàsì tó tóbi jù lọ́tún ni olórí eégún tọ̀dọ̀ wọn ni. ọdẹ ni ẹgbẹ́ mojú omi lẹ́kàn mo ní ibẹ̀ yẹn ni ilé àwọn ọdẹ ọdẹ ni ọdẹ ọ̀tún. eégún ló pè ní eégún ẹlẹ́wẹ̀.
When we came on board, we have a 6-point agenda. We've upgraded to 7 right now. The first one is education. Education for our children, both primary, tertiary, and university. And one of the things we're doing as our own KBC, we go for enlightenment. We go visit to the schools. We also archives and heritage. We want to make sure our culture is sustained, enhanced, maintained, and like this kind of interview, we want a lot of people to know what Ọ̀tún is all about. A lot of people don't know that Ọ̀tún is quite critical in the Yoruba race. Then thirdly, youth empowerment. Make sure that our youths are empowered in terms of mechanized farming. And we thank God, the Balogun of Mobaland, in person of an icon, Are Afe Babalola, the founder of Afe Babalola University, is supporting us. Some of our chiefs have been recognized by the university, and they've been giving grants and proposed to give them grants for farming and other youths that are farms in our community. Apart from youth empowerment, we're also into sports, because we believe that a man should be rounded physically and spiritually. So we're also activating a lot of sporting competitions within the 13 communities, try to create bond, friendship, because today football brings everybody together. We're also talking about diaspora. We've spoken to our sons and daughters all over the world. We have Egbe Omotun in UK, Australia, Canada, and the US. We are very strong in the United States. And what we're trying to do is to try and see how we can communicate, create a link between our sons and daughters in diaspora so that they can be part of what is happening here. Another point is that we want institutions to come into this town in terms of university, polytechnic, and colleges of education, school of nursing, so that our youths can be engaged. Once again, we'll thank the indefatigable governor, Governor Kayode Fayemi. They've just approved $1 million, 490 million thereabout, for our government technical college in Ọ̀tún. Yọra ẹ̀yin ọmọ Ọ̀tún, Ọlọ́run máa máa pẹ̀lú yín o, ẹ kéré oko délé, gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́ bá dáwọ́lé a máa bọ́ sí rere, tẹ́ bá lù lẹ́ẹ̀kan á ṣí lẹ́ẹ̀méje, Ọlọ́run àrà tó ń gbàràdà á gbàràdà fún yín, ẹ jẹun ọmọ pẹ́, nígbà táwọn ọmọ bá di ńlá tó bá gbòòrò tó bá ṣorí rẹ̀ ní dàwátì. Bàbá wa àwọn aláṣẹ bíbá yìí àwọn òòrè gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́ máa dárí sí lágbára lọ́hùn á ṣe é ṣe. Ẹ ṣé gan ẹ̀yin ọmọ bàbá. God bless you.